Once upon a time, in a magical forest, I lived in the grand embrace of an old oak tree. My branches stretched high, tickling the clouds, while my roots danced deep in the earth, whispering secrets to the soil. Every day, I watched as children played beneath my shade, their laughter swirling like leaves in the wind. I've seen seasons change, from the vibrant colors of autumn to the sparkling frost of winter, each telling a story of its own. The birds would come to sing their morning songs, and the squirrels, oh those cheeky little acrobats, would scamper up and down my trunk, gathering acorns like treasure. I've witnessed friendships blossom and dreams take flight, all while standing tall and strong. But the most enchanting moments? When the moonlight kissed my leaves, and the stars twinkled like tiny lanterns, I felt the magic of the night wrap around me. In this cozy nook of the world, I learned that every creature, big or small, has a story worth telling, just like the whispers of the wind that carry my tales far and wide.